Okay, we're going to move right into problem number 2. Now, just a quick reminder, our problem about Cindy and the highlighters, and then this problem about Yvonne and marbles are going to help you solve your problems on today's problem set. Okay, you're going to use the same sort of strategies to solve each of these 3. So let's go ahead and get started on problem number 2. Yvonne finds a bag of 72 marbles and runs to share them with 8 of his friends. He is so excited that he drops the bag and loses 18 marbles. How many marbles will Yvonne and each of his friends get? Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can solve this on your own. Of course, I'm going to keep doing it on here, but you can pause the video and see if you get the answer correct. Hopefully, the first step you make is to do an R, D, W. We already read this like a reader, but it's time to read it like a mathematician. I've got my highlighter here. You can use a pencil, or you don't have to write it at all because I already did that for you. Yvonne finds a bag of 72 marbles. I think it's important to know how many marbles he found. 72. And runs to share them with 8 of his friends. That must be important if they included that. 8 of his friends. He is so excited that he drops the bag and loses 18 marbles. Now, I'm not only going to highlight 18 marbles, I'm going to highlight loses. I'm also going to draw a little symbol above loses that reminds me that when you lose something, it means to take away. So he lost 18 marbles. If it said he found 18 marbles or added 18 marbles, I would do an addition sign. But in this case, he loses them. So how many marbles will Yvonne and each of his friends get? Now this is important because I am including Yvonne and each of his friends. It's not just his 8 friends, it's Yvonne and his 8 friends. Okay? So I have read this like a reader. Now it's time to draw, read this like a reader and a mathematician. Now it's time to draw this to show how we are going to solve. Now, my first question is, what do I do first? I know I'm going to have to do some subtracting because I already established that. And this is a pretty big number. 8 is a small number. I'm going to have to do some division as well. But which one do I do first? I think I'm going to do my subtraction first because it's going to be easier to start with subtraction in my big numbers than it would be to subtract certain number from each kid after I did my division. So I'm going to start with 72, because that's how many marbles he started with, minus 18, because that's how many he lost, equals M. M is the number of marbles he has now. Now, if I take 72 minus 18, go ahead and pause the video if you know the answer. If not, you can see that the answer is 54. So Yvonne now has 54 marbles. Am I done? Can I check off my D? Nope, I sure can't. Now it's time for me to divide. And just like our problem with Cindy and her highlighters, I'm going to use a tape diagram. I'm going to draw my long tape diagram. And I am going to make a box for each kiddo. Now, just like before, I mentioned if we have 9 kiddos, Yvonne and each of his 8 friends, I just need to draw 8 lines to make 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are my 9 kids. Okay, I'm going to mark this with a G for how many marbles each student or each kid is going to get. I know that all together there are 54 marbles. Okay, I've got my tape diagram labeled. I know how many marbles there are. I know how many kiddos there are. I just need to figure out how many each kid gets. So I'm going to say 54 split into, or divided, by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals G, because it's how many each friend will get. Now, 54. Okay, can this work? I need to have 5 10s and 4 1s. Okay, which finger did I just tuck away? I have 5 10s and 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I tucked my 6th finger away, which tells me G is equal to 6. All right, I did my drawing. It's time to do my writing. Now, like we talked about before, 3rd graders, an excellent written paragraph at the bottom of this is what we're going for, okay? We're not there yet, and that's fine, but I'm going to show you an example of how I would do this. So I would say, Yvonne shared 54 marbles with his 8 friends. When split evenly, each friend gets 6 marbles. I know this is true because, and this is where I explain what I did. So I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to just kind of explain my way down. Because 72 minus 18 equals 54. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. This is how I know Yvonne and each of his friends gets 6 marbles. Now, like I said, this is just a starting point. We're not there yet. If you copied this down, awesome. If you simply have Yvonne and each of his friends gets 6 marbles, that's perfect too. So I'm going to go ahead and check off my W. Nice job. I hope you followed along with me. These are pretty fun.